Let's talk a little bit about Ixora. This is Ixora RMS. This is a counters monitoring tool for Linux. There are two ways to monitor counters on Linux server. You can monitor them by using Gmeter plugins, and listeners, um, which allowing us to monitor counters. But in order to monitor counters on Linux, you need to install a Gmeter agent on the target machine. Ixora RMS is a standalone tool for monitoring counters on Linux, and it also consists from console and agents. In order to monitor the counters, you need to install agents on each of target machines. In this diagram, image, you see that on the we have a Ixora console, which is installed on engineer's computer, and console just collects data from all the agents, and we have agents which you need to install on each target server, for example, for the web servers and for DB server. Ixora RMS, you can access Ixora RMS on the web by typing just Ixora RMS and searching for it. Ixora RMS has two builds, two main builds. If you access a download section, you will see that there is a build for Windows and there is a build for Linux. For example, if a console is located on Windows, you need a build for Windows in order to launch only the console. And then, if the target machines are on Linux, you need the build for Linux, and then access the corresponding scripts to launch agents. Um, on the main page of Ixora website, you will see what is an Ixora RMS tool, and you will see some definitions, but there is a documentation as well. For example, getting started with Ixora. And running Ixora. On the running Ixora section, you'll see that the installation file for each platform contains both the console and host manager. So in one file, you have two options: console, launch a console, or launch a host manager. Host manager. To start them, use console, run console bat or console sh. You will need to launch a console by using this the bat file or sh file, and to launch host manager, you just need to run hashem start bat or hashem start sh and stop it in the corresponding hashem stop script file after the host manager had been started at least once with hashem start and configured. You can use the generated script file hashem launch bat or hashem launch sh file to start the host manager thereafter. So the host manager is a file for starting the agents, and the console is a file to starting the main console, the main view of Ixora. You have some information about monitoring agents, different for SQL Server and for you can just download. Let's download the distribution of build for Windows, and I will show you what it contains.